Vlogmas day 21. Oh my goodness, only 4 days till the big day. Right, so I am here at the dental surgery in London again to have my hygienist appointment with the lovely Gemma, and I am so early, so I thought I'd take the car because basically it's quite hard to get here by public transport, and we've got to be really quick because I've got to kind of whiz back and go off to Dorset. So yeah, I kind of thought I'll take the car, and there'll be quite a bit of traffic, so I'll leave lots of time. So I left an hour and 10 minutes to get here, which normally takes about 45 minutes. It then took like 25 minutes to get here. I'm so early. I've never been this early before. Don't really know what to do with myself, so I thought I would film a little video for you guys. But yeah, so today we're off to Dorset. We're gonna meet Stephen's parents and cousins and all sorts at the zoo. We're going to a light show at the zoo. Right guys, well next time I see you, my teeth will be much whiter. Yeah, I really love the hygienist. She's amazing. It never hurts. It's just incredible. And I have got quite a problem with staining. My saliva glands got ruined during my cancer treatment, so, well, one of them, so it means that my teeth stain really easily because the saliva isn't quite what it's meant to be. I really look forward to having my hygienist appointment and my stains gone again, so yay, can't wait. See you in a bit without the stains. Okay guys, I told you, look at these, I told you it'd be good. I get really excited after the hygienist because it's just the best my teeth will ever look at that, you know, in this stage. So I get to properly see how well the aligners are working now as well, because you know, whenever you're looking at stains you don't really see all the stuff, but now I'm looking at white teeth. Look, these used to be unbelievably crooked. I know there's still some work to do, but I've got like 10 weeks left. I'm unbelievably happy with them. I really am. So yeah, I'm very lucky. I'm so lucky to have been sponsored by Portman Dental Care. I'm very lucky to have such amazing care at the dental surgery, and I feel very blessed. Whenever I come here I'm just like, whoa, I'm incredibly blessed and lucky for that. So, and I'm just so pleased with how it's going. I couldn't be happier. So yeah, right, back home I've got a Pret, and so Pret a Manger is like the sponsor of my Vlogmas, but the Christmas sandwich is just the best thing ever, so that's why. And Stephen likes the brie one, so I've got all that so that we don't need to worry about lunch. So I just need to finish packing and then off to Dorset we go.
Today is the 21st. That's a 2 and a 1. 21. A 2 and a 1.
Maybe the socks on the hand might have made it a bit hard. We had it the right way. You don't need to turn it.
So can you see a 2 followed by a 1? Oh. Do you want me to read it for you? Are you already looking? Come and have a seat over here. Have a seat over here on the white chair.
Come on.
Good morning. Today's the 21st, so I'll read you the clue. Search high and low, far and wide. Where are you going? Let me finish. I've written this. Search high and low, search high and low, far and wide. A whole new world waits to explore. What once was lost is back again. Is that a tiger's roar? But to who does this gift lead? Whatever will it be? One thing's for sure, you ain't never had a gift like me. So where to start? A book, of course. A pop-up princess's book. If I was you, that would be the first place I would look.
Oh, B. Oh, oh no.
Who's that?
Yay!
Yeah! She's back again!
Oh, so Bill kindly gave her Jasmine Ushi to a friend of hers, but she wasn't as happy about it in the long run as she thought she would be. So Daddy, that's so lovely of you to get it for her again. Jasmine, you're home.
Right. 21st of December, everyone. A whole new world.
Arrived in Dorset to this beautiful light show.
Whoa, this just keeps going.
Is it like all the houses together that they've like decided to decorate their whole town?
Seems like it.
That's so lovely.
Can I go inside Grandma and Grandpa's house?
Yeah, then we're going to Grandma and Grandpa's and we're going to go and stay there
for a few days.
Yeah.
Look at this.
This is absolutely beautiful.
What a magical way to get to there.
Mm.
This might be useful for soon when we get there.
I think this is just the local village that's really kind of gone to town with it all. Look at that pub at the end. How cute is that? That's super cute.
That was amazing.
Look at this. This is Marwell Zoo. Beautiful. Wow. Oh, yeah. This is the kind of thing I love at Christmas. Okay, day 21. We've got our next one. Come on then. Ooh, what's in here, Bee? Go and pull it out and show me. Oh, you're going to love that. Look at this. It's a cat.
It's for me.
It's for me. It's to put on. Oh, this is my favourite so far. This is a pin magnet, so I can put it on my sewing machine and my pins will stick to it. That is the best thing. How cool is that? I love it.
Shaped heart. So
Oh, they're so brilliant. I love them. Okay guys, so I am just in the bathroom of Stephen's parents. Everyone's getting sick. So Bee was really bad last night. I haven't said anything until now because, well, yeah, I was too exhausted, but she was really, really bad through the night. She was actually really sick as well, so it was a bit touch and go. I was really wondering, should I get her back to A&E, because she was making herself cough so much that she was sick. So that was a really tough night. I think I actually only had about 2.5 hours sleep last night before she basically dragged me out of bed at 3 and stayed in our bed but coughing and being awake and being sick all night until about 6 and then into the lounge. So that was quite tough. But then I was all right for the day, and now I'm just absolutely exhausted. And Bee obviously had the best time at that light show, so she's like fully wired. So luckily we are at the grandparents who are going to put her to sleep, which they've never done before, but I'm sure it will all be fine. Stephen is really coughing as well, so he thinks he's got a chest infection. So he's gone to bed with a Lemsip, and yeah, a bit worried about him. So, oh no, it's that season again. Fingers crossed for us all that we'll all hold up for Christmas. But at the moment, I'm gonna go to bed. I think it's like 9:30. I'm gonna edit this tomorrow because I can't even handle opening a laptop right now. So I will see you tomorrow. Lots and lots of love. Take care. Bye.